before. Today, we will be unboxing Oliver's new Nook. So it's from Barnes & Noble. We just got it.
Why does so much mail in this? Maybe just put the
the mail is for the other stuff. There's other mail in here too. So we have the Nook.
Guys, look.
Wait, so this is so inside the Nook.
Where's the chip?
I'll get that for you. It's on a shelf in the school room.
Okay, I don't think we should put it in until we have open until the
You need to
device is
charge
on.
it before. So I'm gonna pause it, and then and this is the second part. It looks pretty cool. So let's try to open it. Here,
You
we'll
can
open
pause
it.
and then I'll open it.
Okay. So
It's the knife of a
it's the moment of truth. Is there actually a Nook in there? There's no Nook. If there's no Nook in there, that'd just be crazy. Whoa.
It's a pretend Nook. What?
I don't know.
Come on, why is this?
Come on. You're playing too much Fortnite. A lot of flab, not enough ad. Okay. Oh boy. What is that?
The charger.
It's the charger. So we got the charger. And
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
so then this is the Nook.
Hallelujah.
The Nook. Nook tablet 7. There's a tablet 7 inches. My tablet's a lot bigger. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. But that's kind of lucky. Here's a smaller.
And if you heard that noise,
I remember this charger from the last.
why is there a U on it?
Yep, we got the charger, and then we got the Nook.
It's an Advira.
What?
So we are gonna charge this. So thank you guys
Is
for
this the
watching.
No, I'm gonna just pause it.
No.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
If you heard that noise, big pop noise, this was it.
Okay, see you next time. Bye.